$5,000 a month. That is $60,000 a year. That is more than the median individual income in the United States, and people are earning that on the side, not as their main job on the side, in 2026. And they are not doing anything that requires a degree, a trust fund, or 10 years of experience. I have spent the last month digging into the data, talking to people, verifying earnings, and I put together 7 side hustles that are actually working right now. Not in 2022, not theoretically, right now. No fluff, no start a blog and wait 3 years. Every single hustle on this list has real people pulling in real money, and I am going to tell you exactly how they are doing it and how you can start. Let us get into it. Number 1, and this is the big one, AI freelancing. I am not talking about prompt engineering as some vague buzzword. I am talking about specific paid services that businesses are desperate to hire for right now. Here is what the market looks like. According to Upwork's 2025 year-end report, AI-related freelancing jobs grew by over 300% compared to the year prior. The average hourly rate for AI implementation freelancers on the platform sits between $75 and $150 an hour. So what does an AI freelancer actually do? 3 things are printing money right now. First, custom chatbot builds. Businesses want AI chatbots trained on their own data for customer support. You take their documentation, their FAQs, their product info, and you build a chatbot using tools like OpenAI's API, Claude, or open source models. A single chatbot build runs between $1,000 and $5,000, and it takes most people a week or less once they know the workflow. Second, AI automation setups. Companies want their repetitive tasks automated. Think connecting their CRM to an AI that writes follow-up emails, or building a system that summarizes meeting transcripts and sends action items to Slack. Tools like Make, Zapier, and N8N, combined with AI APIs, make this completely doable. Third, AI content systems. Businesses want a repeatable pipeline that produces blog posts, social media content, or email newsletters with AI assistance. You build the system, train them to use it, and charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer. How to start? Honestly, pick one of those 3 services. Build 2 or 3 sample projects for free. Put them in a portfolio, then list yourself on Upwork and Fiverr and start cold outreach on LinkedIn. Most people I talked to landed their first paid client within 2 to 4 weeks. Number 2, digital products. This is not new, but the market in 2026 is bigger than it has ever been. And the tools to create products are absurdly good now. Here is the model. You create something once, a Notion template, a spreadsheet, a Canva template pack, a digital planner, a set of prompts, a swipe file, and you sell it over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, margins above 90%. The numbers are real. Etsy reported that digital product sales on their platform increased 41% year over year in 2025. Gumroad creators collectively earned over $200 million last year. And individual creators are sharing their numbers publicly. One creator I looked into sells Notion templates for project management. She prices them between $9 and $29. She makes between $6,000 and $8,000 a month and spends about 5 hours a week maintaining her store and creating new products. Another creator sells a bundle of 100 AI prompts for realtors, $47 per sale. He launched it 7 months ago and has done over 4,000 units. The secret is niche specificity. Notion template is too broad. Notion template for wedding planners is a product. Notion template for freelance graphic designers tracking client revisions is a product that sells itself because the person searching for it feels like it was made for them. Start with one product. Price it between $15 and $49. Drive traffic with TikTok or Instagram Reels showing the product in action. Number 3, print on demand. Yes, I know you have heard of this before, but here is why it is on this list for 2026 specifically. AI design tools have completely changed the game. What used to require a graphic designer or hours in Photoshop now takes minutes. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Ideogram can generate commercial use designs that actually look professional. That means your cost to create new designs is effectively zero, and you can test hundreds of designs quickly to find winners. The model is simple. You create designs. You upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or Gelato. You connect that platform to an Etsy or Shopify storefront. When someone buys a shirt, mug, or poster, the platform prints and ships it for you. You never touch inventory. Realistic earnings. The average successful print-on-demand store doing $5,000 or more per month has between 200 and 500 active listings. The profit margin per item is typically between $5 and $15. So you need roughly 10 to 30 sales per day. That sounds like a lot, but with hundreds of listings, it is very achievable. The key is volume and trend writing. Seasonal designs, meme culture, niche community references, these sell. Generic live, laugh, love designs do not anymore. Use tools like eRank and Marmalade to find what people are actually searching for on Etsy. Quick thing before we keep going. If you are watching this and thinking about which of these to try first, drop a comment and tell me which one caught your eye. I respond to as many as I can, and honestly, sometimes the best advice comes from other people in the comments who are already doing these things. And if you are not subscribed yet, now is the time. We drop videos like this every week with real numbers, real strategies, no nonsense. All right, let us keep moving. Number 4, YouTube automation, also called Faceless YouTube. This is where you run a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, let us say historical mysteries or top 10 lists, or animal facts or personal finance explainers. You write a script or hire a writer. You generate a voiceover using AI tools like 11 Labs. You edit together stock footage, images, and motion graphics. You upload it, optimize the title and thumbnail, and repeat. The revenue comes from AdSense, and the CPMs in certain niches are genuinely impressive. Finance and business content earns between $15 and $40 per 1,000 views. True crime and mystery content averages $8 to $18. Even general entertainment niches pull $4 to $10 CPM. A faceless channel getting 500,000 views per month in a mid-range CPM niche is earning somewhere between $4,000 and $12,000 a month from ads alone. And the beauty is that once you build the system, you can outsource almost everything. Plenty of operators run 3, 4, 5 channels simultaneously. Cost per video if you outsource everything is roughly $100 to $200. If a video gets 50,000 views in a finance niche at a $20 CPM, that is $1,000 in revenue from a single video. The math works. How to start? Pick a niche you can commit to for 6 months. Make your first 30 videos. That is the real barrier. Most people quit at video 8. Number 5, and I want to be clear about this one up front. I am not telling you to gamble. I am telling you that there is a massive industry built around sports betting content, and the people creating that content are making serious money regardless of whether their picks win or lose. Since the expansion of legal sports betting across the United States, the market for picks, analysis, and betting education has exploded. Platforms like BetStamp, Action Network, and Twitter or X communities have created an entire economy around sports analysis content. Here is where the money is. First, subscription pick services. Tipsters with a verified track record charge between $50 and $300 a month for access to their picks. A tipster with 500 subscribers at $100 a month is doing $50,000 a year from subscriptions alone. Second, affiliate revenue. Every major sportsbook, DraftKings, FanDuel, BetMGM, runs affiliate programs that pay between $200 and $500 per referred depositing customer. Content creators who review sportsbooks and post betting tutorials earn thousands per month in affiliate commissions. Third, content monetization. Betting-related YouTube content has high CPMs because sportsbooks are major advertisers. If you build an audience talking about betting strategy, the ad revenue is substantial. How to start? Pick one sport you know well. Start posting free analysis on Twitter and YouTube. Track your picks publicly on a platform like BetStamp that verifies results. Build a track record over 3 to 6 months, then offer a premium tier. The key is transparency. The creators who last in this space are the ones who post all their results, wins and losses, publicly. Number 6, crypto airdrops. Now, this one is different from the others because it is not a traditional work-for-money hustle. It is more like strategic farming. but the payouts can be enormous. An airdrop is when a crypto project distributes free tokens to early users of their protocol. The idea is to reward people who helped test and use the platform before it launched its token. And the numbers from recent airdrops are staggering. The Arbitrum airdrop in 2023 gave some users over $10,000 worth of tokens. Jupiter on Solana, similar story. Jito, Celestia, Starknet, all delivered 4- and 5-figure payouts to people who spent relatively small amounts of time and money interacting with those protocols. In 2026, the airdrop meta is still alive. Layer 2 networks, DeFi protocols, and new chains are still launching, and they are still rewarding early users. How to participate? Follow airdrop trackers and crypto researchers on Twitter. Identify protocols that have raised venture capital but have not yet launched a token. That is the signal. Then use those protocols. Bridge funds, make swaps, provide liquidity, mint NFTs on their platform. The idea is to be an active, genuine user. Realistic expectations. Most people who farm airdrops seriously across 10 to 20 protocols per cycle report earning between $2,000 and $20,000 per major airdrop season, which typically happens once or twice a year. It is not consistent monthly income, but the per-hour return can be extraordinary. The risk? Gas fees, smart contract bugs, and the possibility that a protocol simply never does an airdrop. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Number 7, and this one might surprise you. Roblox game development. Roblox has over 70 million daily active users in 2026. It is one of the largest gaming platforms on Earth, and it has a built-in economy where developers earn real money. Through the developer exchange program, DevEx, creators can convert in-game Robux earnings into US dollars. In 2025, Roblox paid out over $900 million to its developer community. Individual developers and small studios are earning $5, $10, even $50,000 a month from successful games. Now, you do not need to build the next Adopt Me or Brookhaven. Smaller niche games can still generate solid income. A well-made obby, a simulator, or a tycoon-style game that gets consistent traffic of a few thousand concurrent players can earn between $3,000 and $10,000 a month. Roblox uses a scripting language called Lua, which is one of the easier programming languages to learn. And here's the thing. You do not even have to code everything yourself. The Roblox Asset Marketplace and the open source community provide pre-built systems you can customize. AI coding assistants can help you write Lua scripts. And you can hire builders and modelers on platforms like Fiverr for relatively low costs. How to start? Download Roblox Studio, which is completely free. Follow beginner tutorials. There are hundreds on YouTube. Build a simple game and publish it. Study what the top games in your genre are doing right. Iterate. The developers who succeed treat it like a real product. They update their games regularly, listen to player feedback, and invest in marketing through Roblox's built-in ad system and social media. Realistic timeline. Most successful Roblox developers say it took them 3 to 6 months of consistent work before they had a game generating meaningful revenue. It is not overnight, but the ceiling is genuinely high. All right, let us bring it all together. Here are your 7 side hustles actually making people $5,000 a month or more in 2026. 1. AI freelancing. Building chatbots, automations, and content systems for businesses. 2. Digital products. Notion templates, prompt packs, and niche tools sold on Gumroad and Etsy. 3. Print on demand. AI-designed merch sold through automated storefronts. 4. YouTube automation. Faceless channels earning AdSense revenue at scale. 5. Sports betting content. Pick services, affiliates, and high CPM content. 6. Crypto airdrops. Farming token distributions from early protocol usage. 7. Roblox development. Building games on one of the largest platforms in the world. Every single one of these is accessible. None of them require a degree. All of them require work. The people making $5,000 a month from these hustles are not lucky. They are consistent. They showed up for months when nobody was watching. The only question is which one fits your skills, your interests, and your schedule. So tell me, which one are you starting first? Drop it in the comments. I am genuinely curious. And if you are already doing one of these and have numbers to share, put those down there too. Your experience might be the thing that pushes someone else to finally start. I will see you in the next one.